The experts thought that with less traffic, there'd be less fatalities and injuries on the road. A study just came out that was published in the Los Angeles Times, though, indicates that 2021 showed an increase in fatalities that has not been seen since 2007. They've made a study as to why this has occurred, and they've come to the conclusion that folks are getting back out on the road and they're expressing their aggressions and their hostilities for having been denied their freedoms for too long. And they're showing it by driving too fast, often driving impaired with alcohol-related or drug-related driving, or texting and talking and not using their hands-free devices. They found that people are driving too fast and driving inattentively. And what this does is it causes more accidents. Many law firms slowed down during the COVID pandemic and did not keep pursuing cases, taking care of clients, making appearances in court, things of that nature. My firm did not. We kept active and we kept working our cases and taking care of our clients. That's why many law firms, once the closures lifted, they weren't ready for the number of accidents that were occurring. They weren't ready to represent clients that were injured or killed in these accidents. One of the major types of accidents that has been found to be occurring more and more since the reopening are rear-end accidents. Rear-end accidents are some of the most injury-causing accidents because when the person is hit from the rear, it's usually unexpected and sudden. They have no opportunity to brace themselves or prepare for an impact. And their neck is undergoing a movement that's called flexion extension under high forces. The human head weighs anywhere from 8 to 12 pounds. So that's like a bowling ball that's moving over your neck, and you've got all of these tissues in your neck and these ligaments and discs between the areas of the vertebrae, and these are all susceptible to injury with this type of movement in a rear-end accident. So what's important is that when a rear-end accident occurs and a client comes into my office, whether it's a low-speed impact or it's a high-speed impact, we make sure that we send them to the right doctors who can determine whether or not there has been serious injury to their neck that needs immediate treatment, and MRIs taken, and possibly injections or even surgery, or whether it's something that is going to be transient and that will go away after a few months. This is very important to get to the right kinds of doctors, the right kinds of pain specialists and orthopedic doctors, spine specialists, to make those determinations. Also, low back injuries can be caused in a rear-end accident, even though the experts will tell you that low back injuries are less likely in this type of accident. But if you have somebody who has pre-existing problems with their low back, even problems that are not causing them pain, that the force of the impact in this sudden unexpected movement, which your lower back also does, will potentially cause those conditions in your back to be aggravated and start to cause you pain or more pain, and these also have to be addressed. So again, the same doctors who would see you for the pain in your neck would also see you and evaluate you in the pain to your back. So it seems like it's not a new normal, but even a super normal period where people are driving aggressively. they're driving impaired, and they're causing accidents in which people are being injured, including rear-end accidents. So it's important to go to a firm that has experience in dealing with these types of accidents, and we've been doing it for over 30 years, and we're here to help you. And when you come to my firm, I will be the one that talks to you about your case, the kind of treatment that you need, the kind of doctors you need to see, and what to expect step by step. You won't be dealing with assistants or paralegals. You'll be dealing with me, and I'll be there for you all the way.